I use different strategies in my teaching. For instance, virtualizations, bring like academic concepts to life with the virtual and the learning a practical experience, allowing students to understand how they can apply in the real life. And we have another thing which is called cooperative learning, like encourage students of mixed ability to work together by promoting a small group or the whole class activities. We use like another thing which is called inquiry-based instructions, encouraging students in the classroom to ask them different questions and investigate their own ideas, help improve problem-solving skills. Technologies, I think one of the important techniques we can use in the classroom, interactive, whiteboard, or mobile device, we can be used to display image and videos.